Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to GitHub. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Claude and log into your account. Then from here, you want to choose this plus icon, then connectors, and then choose manage connectors. On this page, you're going to look for GitHub integration, this one, then choose connect. Now you'll be asked to sign into your GitHub account and authorize access, plus allow some permissions. This lets Claude read your repositories, review code, and interact with pull requests securely. And once connected, basically, that's about it. Now, instead of manually checking everything on GitHub, you can just ask Claude to help you. For example, you can say, review my latest pull request, and Claude will analyze the code, point out issues, and even suggest improvements. So, yeah, connecting Claude to GitHub turns it into a smart coding assistant that can review code, manage pull requests, and help you ship better projects faster. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.